On August 15, 1977, at Ohio Wesleyan University, it was an ordinary day.
However, that night,
Something extraordinary happened, which has remained a mystery for decades. The university's bigger radio telescope, a 30-meter wide reflector, detected a powerful signal at 10:16 p.m. The signal traveled from the telescope to an IBM 1130 computer, where it was converted and sent to a printer. At that moment, the control room was silent except for the sound of the printer. The printed record of the signal was buried within the rest of the data, and no one initially realized that the telescope might have recorded a signal from extraterrestrial life. A few days later, a technician from the control room gathered all the printouts and delivered them to Jerry R. Inman, whose job was to analyze the telescope's data. On the printout, most signals were marked with numbers like 1 or 2, but Jerry noticed something unusual at one spot, 6EQUJ5, startled by its distinctiveness. He circled it with a red pen and wrote "WOW" in the margin. Since then, this signal has been known as the WOW signal. What made the WOW signal special? For the past 47 years, astronomers have been intrigued by this signal. Here's why it stands out. 1. Frequency. The signal was detected at a frequency of 1,420.456 MHz, which is close to the hydrogen line. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe and a logical frequency for intelligent extraterrestrial civilizations to use for communication. 2. Duration. The signal lasted for 72 seconds, the maximum time the Big Ear telescope could observe a single point in the sky due to Earth's rotation. The signal's intensity followed a pattern. It started weak, became stronger, peaked, and then weakened again, matching the telescope's observational pattern. 3. Intensity. The WOW signal's intensity was recorded as 6EQUJ5-6, the signal's initial strength, higher than the usual background noise. E, Q, U, J represent increasing intensity, with letters corresponding to signal strength, e.g., E equals 14, Q equals 26. 5. The signal returned to a weaker intensity. The WOW signal strength far exceeded the usual signals, typically around 1 to 3 recorded by the telescope. Scientific background. In 1959, Cornell University professors Philip Morrison and Giuseppe Cocconi published a study proposing that extraterrestrial civilizations might use radio signals at 1,420 MHz to communicate. This frequency is associated with hydrogen, the most common element in the universe, and any advanced civilization would likely recognize its significance. Inspired by this idea, Ohio State University in 1973 dedicated the Big Ear telescope to a project called SETI Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence. The telescope scanned different parts of the sky to detect potential signals from intelligent life beyond Earth.
The 1977 event, on the night of August 15, 1977, at 10:16 p.m., the Big Ear telescope detected an unusual and powerful signal. The signal lasted for 72 seconds, during which the computer recorded it as 6EQUJ5. Each letter in this sequence represents a 12-second interval, showing how the signal's intensity changed over time. Here's what the sequence means. 6. Moderate intensity at the start. E. Q. U. J. Gradual increase in intensity, for example, E equals 14, Q equals 5. Signal intensity returned to moderate. Normally, the telescope recorded signals between 1 to 3, but the WOW signal's strength exceeded all expectations. Why is it still a mystery? 1. No repetition. Despite repeated attempts to scan the same part of the sky, the WOW signal was never detected again. 2. No clear origin. While some scientists believe it could have been a message from intelligent extraterrestrial life, others suggest it might have been an Earth-based signal or a natural cosmic phenomenon. Conclusion? The WOW signal remains one of astronomy's greatest mysteries. It raises the tantalizing possibility of intelligent life beyond Earth, but leaves us with more questions than answers. Was it an alien message or just a coincidence? The search continues. Let me know how you found this information in the comments, and don't forget to like this post and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Goodbye.